The Food Service Exchange presents.
Okay. Hi, I'm Bill Verity, president of Crown Verity, and today we're going to talk about Crown Verity's world-famous towable grills. It's nothing like this product on the market. It's just an amazing product that lets you actually tow the grill to where the people are. Who doesn't love tailgating? Our tailgaters have a huge market. Colleges and universities use our tailgaters. The rental market is a big market. Football games, at sporting functions. Car dealerships will actually buy these and use them for customer appreciation. Caterers, contract feeders purchase these. They all love our tailgaters. Let's take a look inside. We've got a 48-inch grill surface, 22 inches deep. This is an optional bun rack that's adjustable. And again, we have 3 burners on the left side, 3 on the right. A nice feature of our towable grills are the lighting ports. Another feature, if you notice here, we have a large lip on our roll dome. And the purpose of this is when we close it, it holds the grates in place, so when you're going down the gravel road at 60 miles an hour, your grates aren't going to go up and down and pop out. Really good feature. Another feature we have, when you're traveling, we can actually lock the roll dome. You can put a padlock in here, you can put a zip tie. Another great feature we have is a water pan. Always put water in the water pan, and when you're grilling, your drippings will eventually work their way down into the water pan. We have a drain right here, very easy to clean it up. We have end shelves on either side of the towable grill. These are great for operators. They like that extra workspace. It's just an amazing feature that every chef is going to appreciate. The unit can accommodate 2 30-pound propane cylinders. One operates one side, the other tank operates the other. So this gives you a lot of fuel capacity on your towable grill. The actual trailers on our tailgaters conform to all safety standards for transportation in Canada and the United States. Our actual grills are NSF approved, and they comply with Canadian Gas Association gas standards and also the American Gas Association gas standards. Towable grills are available in 3 different models. We have a TG1, which we're looking at right now. We have a TG2, and we also have a TG4. All the different models are configured different, and we're going to talk about the differences in a minute. Now let's take a look at the front end of the tailgaters. Every tailgater comes with a trailer hitch that accommodates a 2-inch ball. Also comes complete with a wiring harness and a trailer jack. Every towable grill also comes complete with a bracket system that will accommodate 2 30-pound propane cylinders. The tongue weight varies from 50 to 180 pounds, and that all depends on what we have loaded up on the trailer. Another great feature we offer are our stainless steel insulated containers. We're looking at the top of a TG1 here. As you can see, we have the same locking system. So we can lock these so they're not going to pop open when you're driving down the highway. It's a nice feature. Let's take a look inside. I'll just open this up. And the first thing you should notice is the pneumatic piston. And this piston holds the door open for you, makes it very easy to access. Another nice feature that our insulated bins have is a drain. We have a nice chest drain located right under the sticker, and that allows you to drain the water out of your ice bins. Another great feature on our tailgaters is a removable tongue. We have a nut and a bolt here. We can loosen this off, and the whole tongue assembly comes right out. And this is great for an event, so it takes up less room. You're not going to come and hit your shins when you're walking around it. It also is a great feature when we ship these, if we have to ship them to one coast to the other on a skid. We take the tongue and we put it underneath, and this decreases the cube and decreases the shipping rates. We're looking at a TG1, and your actual physical weight of this unit is 852 pounds. Our TG2 is 652 pounds, and the difference between the 1 and the 2, the TG2 does not have the stainless steel insulated containers. Our tailgater model TG4 is exactly the same as the TG1, except we have an extra 31 inches of space at the front with a stainless steel deck. It has a sink, hot and cold running water, and extra storage capacity. The TG4 is 1,050 pounds net weight. If you're a college or university, a sporting venue, a caterer, or a rental store, please consider a Crown Verity TG1, 2, or 4 for your next tailgate party. And let's go tailgating.